Welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I have another one of the nice, absolutely fabulous little radios that Jeff King loaned me to do reviews on my show. And this, now, he's using an eyewear case, which is a good idea to keep these radios from getting scratched. So this is not a pair of glasses. Here it is right here. This is the Emerson AM/FM radio. It's a model P3761, and it's fairly good size, bigger than the previous couple of radios I did. And I believe originally it came with a set of headphones. And Jeff might have those, he just didn't bring them with him. He uses a 9-volt battery right down here, which was very easy to put in. And it's AM and FM. Now, I don't know if it's FM stereo. I'm thinking it is. Trying to see if there's anything that tells me that it's stereo. I don't see anything that tells me it's stereo. There's the earphone jack. There's the tuning knob right there. There's the telescopic antenna for FM. Now I'll try to hold this up close and see if I can get my camera to zoom in. Come on, camera. Do your thing. Okay, we'll do it the other way. We'll have the camera zoom. Instead of me zooming in, maybe I'm getting too close. Okay, I'll try to hold it steady here. So the top dial is FM. The bottom one is medium wave, or AM. Band selector is right here. There's a little insert here where you can see the volume level number. You have to look at it just right, and I can't get the clicks, so you can see it without the glare. And then here's the on-off volume. I don't know how many transistors this is. I'm looking at my notes here to see if I wrote anything about. Now, Jeff says that this model, it's a newer model, 1990s, has some integrated circuits in it. So it's a kind of a step up from the older transistor portable radios. And it sounds really good. I'm going to turn on medium wave for some talk news. Tune it in.
Okay, a poussoir.
Can I say that?
Is that the actual French version of that word?
That's French Canadian.
That's pretty loud.
Quebecian for
a bit of a pansy. For a pink hat. Yes.
Exactly. It is French Canadian for pink hat.
Yes.
So the poussoir prime minister.
Redesigned for you, so they've got the equipment.
See, if I can read the number. I think I was about 1/3 volume. It's got plenty of volume.
The soil. They can bring in the irrigation, the hardscape material.
Pretty nice little radio. I think I've told you about everything I know about it. Pretty cool. And this one has no scratches or anything. It's in pristine condition, like most of, well, all the radios that I got from Jeff are like in pristine condition. So that's it. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. Again, thanks to Jeff. And I've got one more left, which I'm going to go ahead and review this morning while I'm down in my workshop, and it's not too hot, so I've got the wall air conditioner unit off. I do turn the fan on that's next to me between shows. So that's it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.